Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All, and welcome back JDM fam. We are here this morning. It is currently 7:35 and we're going to be taking the Type R, go get some coffees, and then we are going to be installing something that I've been waiting to install for a while, and I'm super excited about this part. I'm sure you guys already know what the part is from the thumbnail, but definitely excited to install this, guys. So going to show you guys the Type R right now, and then we'll get going, come back, wash the car, and install these. All right, guys, here's the Type R. Beautiful morning out today. Going to pull her out, go get some coffee, like I said, and then I will come back here, wash it, and install some Burris Engineering CANARDS. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so here's the CANARDS right here. They actually are beautiful, guys. Watch when you guys see these. They are amazing. Definitely worth the $230 I spent on them. Also, they do come with hardware. They come with hardware and double-sided tape. I will double-side tape these today. I don't want to drill into my stock bumper. I just don't want to, I don't want to ruin that beautiful bumper. So I'm going to pull them out really quick. I'll show you guys what they look like, test fit them really quick before I leave. All right, so this is the right canard. Check that out, guys. That is just beautiful. Wow, I cannot believe how pretty these are. I mean, the craftsmanship and the quality is definitely there. And I mean, you can see it. These just look amazing. They look super good. It's really cool that this company actually tests these to make sure they actually work instead of just giving them to you and telling you to install them yourself wherever you want. They actually have templates in the packaging that you can, I'll show you guys how to use them. I will basically be using the templates today. You don't have to, but I will be, just to get a really good fit. So I'm going to show you guys how these fit really quick on the car. Now they're going to fit somewhere around right here, but check that out, guys. How good does that look? Wow. And it's so light. I mean, these should work great, and they should definitely help with a little bit of downforce in the front as well. I have some other aero parts on my car as well, so this is just going to help with all of it, especially, obviously, I have the stock splitters. These do help with downforce as well, so yeah, guys, that is what it's going to look like. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait to install this. And yeah, it's just going to look so much more aggressive. But not only that, it is a functional part that will actually look great and serve a purpose. And it will be providing a little bit of downforce in the front as well. So definitely cool, guys. Excited to install these. So I'm going to grab some coffee really quick and then wash the car, start installing these. And with the help of movie magic, we are back here again. It's time to wash the car. So the car is washed and it is looking great. It's been a while since I've been able to wash the car during the day, because usually here in Phoenix, Arizona, the water will dry on the paint before you're even able to dry it, because it is just that warm and the sun is pretty intense. But today I was able to wash her. She looks great. I love this car. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to have a new mod on the Type R. Actually, I should pull out the template, show you guys what it looks like really quick. But that's the car, guys. Looks absolutely amazing, and I just love it. So really quick, guys, I'm going to show you guys the template, and There's an SI template and a Type R template, so obviously we're going to be using the Type R template. So it is a little confusing, the SI one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks really confusing. So I'm glad I'm not using this one. I did look at it just to see how it was set up. So here is the Type R template. Very simple. All you have to do is cut this out. I'll show you guys in a better angle right now. Okay, so this is the wheel well line right here. So I'm going to cut this out, line it up with the wheel well and where the, obviously where the wheel is. Now, this is the bumper right here, and this is going to be where the splitter is going to sit. This is where the side marker is going to sit. So I'm going to cut all of this out and line it up on the bumper, just so I can figure out exactly where this goes. But yeah, it looks pretty simple. The canard actually looks like it leans really far down, which is kind of weird, but I'm sure it's going to look great. So I don't know, I'm going to cut out at least, yeah, I'll probably cut all of this out just so I can line them up properly, figure out where it sits. So yeah, let me cut it out and show you guys how it looks. All right, so this is the template cut out completely, and this is basically what it's going to look like, guys. When I line it up perfect, this is how it's going to go on, just like that. So look at that, that looks great. So it's going to line up right here on this template, and it's just going to look so good. So that is basically it. I mean, there's not much to it other than that. It even has it had like two little bullet points right here. I'm assuming this is where it's going to start. So this is like right where the template curves. So I'm going to start the curve right there. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I mean, not much to it. So it does say to use 50/50 rubbing alcohol IPA, so I'm going to be using that on this bumper really quick. Then we're going to use it on this as well. I'm going to wipe this off really well and apply the double-sided tape, and yeah, we'll start installing. We are going to be using the double-sided tape that was provided. This says it is 3M VHB double-sided tape. So I'm just waiting for these to dry and I will install them. And it says right here, it actually came with some information. It says, installing this product with double-sided tape, the below conditions need to be met. For best possible adhesion, Verus Engineering is not responsible for products falling off due to incorrect install. Minimal temperature for install should be 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I'm not sure what it actually is out here. Let me check really quick and see. I doubt it's too cold. Okay, so it is 62. It was 51 this morning, but now it's 62, so that is perfect. Also, it also does say that, obviously, like I said, thoroughly clean the section that the product will be installed on with 50/50 isopropyl alcohol water mixture and a microfiber towel. Firmly press product into the body and ensure proper adhesion occurs. At room temperature, approximately 50% of ultimate bond strength will be achieved after 20 minutes, 90% after 24 hours, and 100% after 72 hours. So yeah, I'm going to let these dry really quick. We'll start installing the tape. Okay, so now that these are completely done, I cleaned them with alcohol, applied the double-sided tape that it is required to install them. Now it's time that I wipe the bumper down. I'm going to do one side at a time, let it dry for a minute, and then I will apply this template back on really quick. so that was super simple and easy, and yeah, that was like so painless. I love it. So that is what it looks like, guys. That is the finished product. I am going to save these templates. If you do this, you might want to save these in case you end up taking them off and putting them back on again. So I will be saving these in the box, but check that out, guys. I mean, that is just amazing. It looks so good and so aggressive. Can't believe how good my car looks now. Check that out. So let me look from the porch over here. Let's see how it looks from over here. Oh yeah, that just looks so aggressive and so good. I did want to wash my car in the morning today so it can basically cook these canards on and make sure that they stay on. So looks really good. I like the finish. I like how the carbon fiber looks. It is definitely high quality, and with these templates, guys, you can't go wrong. There is no way to do it wrong unless you don't follow the template, which is really difficult to do. So I like where it's at. Like, it is sitting perfect. So it's time to start on the next one. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. I washed the Type R, installed some canards, and now she's looking great. I am definitely happy with these mods, and if you guys are looking into doing this mod on your Civic Type R or Civic SI, definitely recommend it. I will link this product in the description. Super easy, guys. Literally, the hardest part about this whole thing was basically just washing my car. Like, it was super simple. It took a couple minutes to actually install them. Did want to take my time, made sure to clean off the area very well and install the tape perfectly. But other than that, guys, I mean, you can't go wrong with easy mods like this that make the car look amazing, and they are functional. Like I mentioned, guys, not only does this look awesome, but it does create some downforce in the front end, and I am super happy with this mod. I mean, this car looked great stock, and it is looking better and better with every mod. So I do have a lot more mods for this car, guys. I actually have a lot of things that are on the way in the mail, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys do like this kind of content. If you guys like Civic Type R content, Honda content, or CRV content, definitely hit that subscribe button. $200 for these little things. You might think it might not be worth it, but when I got them in the mail, they are actually super high quality. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.